Isn't that cool? That thing's awesome. Hey guys, today's Dale's tool of the day is on this little hydraulic notcher.
Tools are cool. Tools are cool. Tools are cool. Dale's tool of the day.
It runs off this little 10,000 pound hydraulic pump that the bender and the punch work off of. And it's pretty cool. So with the little electric pump, it'll notch 3/4 inch pipe, 1 inch pipe, and 1 1/4 inch pipe. Well, so pipe size is different than tube size. You know, we're building this go-kart here. And for it, we're using tube. And tube goes by the outside diameter. Exactly. So if it's 1 1/4 inch tube, it's 1 1/4 inch on the outside, and then you tell them the wall thickness, and that's how it goes from there. Well, with pipe, it's kind of the same, but it's different. Like a 1 inch pipe is based on a nominal wall thickness and the inside diameter. So the outside of a 1 inch pipe is actually like 1 3/8 inches. And then the thicker the pipe, like a Schedule 80, Schedule, on up, double extra heavy or extra heavy, gets thicker and thicker. The outside stays the same, and the inside hole gets smaller and smaller with pipe. Well, this is made for cutting pipe. So like this is an 1 1/4 inch pipe, which is 1 5/8 inches outside diameter. It gets a little confusing. But if you were to get 1 5/8 inches tubing, it's always 1 5. It's just the way they do it. I don't understand it. But anyhow, we're notching tubing. So this is 1 1/4 inch tubing that we're using, and it fits really good in the 1 inch pipe size. So voila. It nips it, but it only nips 1/2. So you got to go back in, put it in. They kind of got some lines to marked here on this thing to line up with. Isn't that cool? That thing's awesome. And then check it out. Like, you got another piece of pipe here. Boom. Perfect fit. Perfect. That is the easiest welding ever. And it takes like no time at all. Granted, this will only notch pipe that's square. If it's at an angle or anything, it can't notch that. So, I mean, you still got to use the old, twisty turny, hole saw, jig type notcher. I'll probably do a video on one of these days to do it. Or honestly, I just use that Grizzly sander and the edge of that wheel to kind of cope it. Does a really good job. But this thing's amazing. If you got a square cut, which I got a lot of square cuts, that's the way to notch stuff. And for our little 1 inch tube, it fits pretty good in the 3/4 inch pipe hole. If you get out the cuttings from the one before and you let it all the way back up, voila, notched. Works super good, guys. So even though this is for pipe, it's working pretty good for our tubing, for our go-kart. And, this runs off the little pump, but so does the punch, and so does our bender. What's kind of a pain is having to swap hoses from one to another. Come check this out. We built this little manifold here out of high-pressure pipe parts, and so we got these 6,000 pound ball valves. And you can open up which one you want. Like right now, we were on the notcher. You can close the notcher, open this one, and it goes to the punch. You close that one, you open this one, it goes to the bender. And then you just turn on the pump and they work. It works super sweet, and it saves a lot of time and effort and energy. Anyhow, well, this has been Dale's Tool of the Day. Love you guys. Remember, me and Jesus love you.